Oh, hello. I didn't see you there. Welcome. Glad you could join us today. Today, now that you have your spinning top, I'm going to show you how you can make them custom printed. Check that out. I did these designs myself. Want to see how I did it? Here's how. I've printed my design on a piece of paper a bunch of times. All I'm going to do is cut one out. Some trusted scissors here. There we are. I already have my pre-drilled 1-inch wood disc, right? And all I'm going to do is I've marked the center of the design so I know where to poke it with the knife. So poke the center of the design with the knife, and that will allow me to then turn it over, and I'll know exactly where to put the disc. Take the disc, apply a nice thin layer of Mod Podge all over the entire thing. Just brush it on there, the brush like that. Nice thin layer, it's just a piece of paper, and we just need to get the decal on there. Just line the hole up with the other hole, all right? And there we go. That looks good right there. You don't even need to use any vice grips or anything, just press it down there. This stuff holds pretty well. Well, let that dry, okay? Which I've done here. This one's already dry, okay? So it looks like that. It's glued. Now, take the scissors again. Use the disc as sort of your guide and just cut right along the edge there. And you may have to go over it a few times to, you know, get rid of some of the little bitty excesses. But for the purposes of this video, you get the idea. And just like that, just trim it out there as best you can. Until it's to your liking. Just like that. There we are. Pretty nice. I've also made the design black so it covers easy with a black marker, right? And now we have our custom printed design on the top of our spinning top. Next thing you do, you just take your skewer stick, and you're going to want to just poke it right through from the top down so that the excess paper will get hidden inside the hole and also create a tighter fit. So it's in, you got to just work it in there a little bit. It should be nice and tight. You can even hear it, right? Not too far. That's about good compared to our other ones here. It's about right. And it's usually just a finger or a thumb's length. And my clippers. And voila. Now you have your custom printed top all made. Finish it with whatever color you want. Like I said, I did black because black's easy. Cover's nice. Should look something like this when it's all finished. You know, I painted the entire thing however I wanted. Next, I would just, you know, brush it with some more Mod Podge to seal it. And it's a nice little technique here. See, I'm spinning it as I put the glue on, and just to get a nice even coat. And I like to put a pretty good amount on there, but not too thick because I want it to maintain its structural integrity for when it spins. And just because I'm not in a hurry, I'll just do one side, put that on a bottle top, let it dry. And there you have it. These are some other designs that I've done, like this one. It's a little like red heart flowery thing. So whatever your imagination can make and whatever you feel like printing on top of a spinning top, there you have it.